Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we will be doing a simple pink spring type look with a bold lip. So let's go ahead and get started. First, I'm priming my nose because that is the area where I get the most breakouts and where I have the biggest pores. I haven't figured out a way to get rid of them yet, so I'm going to try and blur them and get rid of them as much as possible. Then I'm going to be taking my setting spray and setting that on my face and fanning it dry. Then I'm going to be taking some powder and just setting that into place. This method I feel like just does wonders for your skin and really blurs the pores. So I'm just going to be taking that everywhere and powdering my face before I go in with the foundation. I also decided to prime my eyes with concealer. That way the eyeshadow could stick to it a lot easier. Here I'm just buffing it out really quickly and then putting powder to set the lids. To start with the eyes, we're going to be taking a nice transitional shade. This can be a light brown or even a tan nude color, and we're just going to switch that back and forth into our crease area. You guys can add as much or as little as you want, but this is how mine looked at the end. It's very natural and it's almost kind of hard to see, but it is still there. Now I'm taking a darker shade, just a tad bit darker than the one we just used, and doing the exact same thing so that we can deepen it up. And as you can see with that transition, I deepened it up as much as I could and added it to the inner corner and the outer corner to make just a full shape. Next, I'm going to attempt to cut my crease. I'm so terrible at this, and I'm just so terrible at it. That's all I can say. I don't know how to cut my crease, and I still don't know. I've tried for forever. So I haven't tried the method with the makeup remover and Q-tip. Maybe I should try that one, but this was me attempting to cut my crease, and it took a long time, but I finally was happy with something. So here I'm taking a very light pink, almost like very light baby pink, and putting that in that crease area and just building up as much as I can so that that color actually shows. This is what it looks like. So very light, very nude, airy. That's kind of these are the words that I feel with this look. Now I'm going to be taking my foundation and just putting that all over and blending it in. Just doing our regular makeup routine here. Now concealer. My makeup routine for like my base face really just doesn't change because I don't have money to be spending on so many products, so I want to use the products that I have and that I know work really well with my skin and what I feel like makes me feel good. So you will see me use these products over and over and over until they're gone, or I will even repurchase them. So once concealer is done, we are going to go in with powder, and this is me using my concealer brush with a little bit of powder on it just to pat those oily areas dry. Now I'm taking my bronzer and contouring my face. I don't use like a contour stick and bronzer, I just use one. I think it works really well, so I just haven't transitioned to using two of them because I don't want like so much on my face. I already have so much on my face, so I don't want to add a ton more. So I always just go in with the one, and I think it looks really good anyways. Don't forget that chin and jawline. This is a trick I do where if I feel like I put too much bronzer on the bottom, I kind of blend it out to make sure that it doesn't look weird and muddy. I really love this highlighter palette. I found it randomly at a store for like $3 or something, but I really love it. It's by Paris Hilton. I love how I can see all of the highlighter shades, whichever one I pick, and I feel like they just produce, like they look so pretty on the skin. I mean, look how pretty that is. I love a little bit of shine. And these are definitely buildable, so if you want to glow, you can definitely glow with this. Ta-da! And that's what the highlighter looks like. It looks really cute. So on the bottom lash line, I decided I wanted to go in with more of like a hot pink color to try and give it a pop. And so that's what I did. I took a hot pink kind of color and just did it really close to the lash line so that it wasn't really in your face. But if you looked closely, you could still see that it was a different shade of pink on the lower lash line. So this was my attempt at adding a bit of color to the eye. A bit of color that was more dramatic than a soft pink and tan. Here I'm taking my Lip Sense Diamond Kiss Gloss and I'm going to be adding that to the center of my eyes. I thought this was nice because it just has a ton of glitter in it and I just wanted something on the inner corner that would bring a glow slash glitter look to it, and I thought this looked really, really good. See, look how pretty that is. Just a nice soft dewy glow to that center of the eye, or to that inner corner of the eye. Now mascara time. And today I'm actually going to throw on my Kiss lashes. I haven't worn lashes in a long time, but I thought today's look called for it. And these are the eyes, guys. I thought they were so pretty. They're so cute. They're so soft. I just love the way that they turned out. How pretty is this look? I love it. I have to recreate it. I really do. It's so cute. So soft, so fresh. I decided to add some more color. We are going to do a bold lip, which is hot pink. I didn't know how this would look, but I think in the end I truly loved it. It's a nice way to wear a super bold lip with subtle eyes, but they both paired really well together in my opinion. I thought it was a cute, fresh spring look, and I really loved how this look turned out. I want to create realistic looks that you can wear out in public and feel comfortable with, and again, I feel like this is just a great way to pair a really bold lip with cute, subtle eyes. What do you guys think? Let me know down below, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!